So if I look or sound more dead than usual, it's because, well, I pretty much am. But no illness is going to stop me from unboxing these. These right here are the Beyerdynamic DT990 Pro headphones, which is going to be my first pair of some truly high-end headphones. So all I'm hoping for is that they don't turn me into an audiophile. And here they are. Honestly, packaging-wise, it's very simple. It's actually, there's something at the very bottom, just like a carrying bag. No one cares about this. This can just go away. This is the star attraction, and these things do feel nice too. They're so much bigger than I imagined, actually. Like, these things are gonna cover my ears pretty well. And the weight. The weight is one of those things that I was really worried about, because I already had a pair of pretty nice headphones, the GSP 600s from Sennheiser. It was a very nice gaming headset with some good specs. But the big issue was that they were heavy, and I mean like really heavy. Just after a few minutes of use, my head would actually start hurting from just how much clamping force there was on them. So hopefully these ones are going to be a bit different. First, they're going to have to somehow free the cable from its cardboard prison here. Don't actually know fully how they expect to do it. Oh, look at that! It comes with like a standard 1/4-inch jack, but you can like screw it off and you can get like a standard 3.5mm one. Now that is actually pretty neat and would allow you to use this thing with a lot more devices. However, that doesn't mean you should. These are some very high impedance headphones, which they even boast about on the headphones themselves. So on lower power devices, the experience might vary. So let's just plug these into my Behringer Euphoria interface and see exactly what it sounds like. Now, for the moment of truth, are they going to give me a headache like my old headphones? And honestly, it's actually really comfortable. Like the material they're using right here, that's pretty nice and soft, and the kind of band here is also not that bad actually. Granted, they do look absolutely massive on me, but to be fair, that would be the case for most headphones. So now let's actually try them out. When that bass comes in, I better be like absolutely blown away, seeing how good these things supposed to really are. I mean, these are like supposed to be like studio reference headphones, so they better be good. But again, I don't really have too much to compare them to as well, because I never used headphones that are this powerful. That's crisp. That is pretty crisp. I guess it's also a good test to see if there's much leakage. Like if you guys can hear the song at all from my microphone, just like here, I guess that answers the question. But yeah, it's crisp. I need to like set up the EQ for this interface. I haven't done that so far, but like even without EQ, that is pretty crisp. Have I said crisp enough yet? This is the impeccable audio journalism you've come here for, right? Yeah, that also sounds pretty fantastic as well. But I wonder how much it is me just discovering headphones again, because I haven't used my GSPs in ages because of the whole, headache issue. So as far as headphones go, I've only been using my, like Galaxy earbuds. And this is me kind of rediscovering the kind of immersion that headphones give you over speakers. But yeah, my favorite genre of depressing music sounds pretty fantastic. So now let's try something a bit heavier. But here's something else I noticed, actually taking them like, off and on, actually pretty good. A lot of headphones, they're built in a way where they kind of interfere with your glasses if you wear glasses like me. But no, these, I can take them off without like knocking off my glasses. I just rip out all my hair instead. The more I listen on these, the more I realize I need to set up my EQ on here. But again, completely flat with no EQ, that does sound fantastic. The bass, the treble, the mids, all sounds so crisp. And the crazy part is that for the specs they offer, they're actually not that expensive, seeing how they cost just slightly above £100 here in the UK. So if you want to grab a pair yourself, then make sure to use our Amazon links down in the video description below, because that way you support the channel while you don't pay anything extra. And hey, while it's here, maybe check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. I'd also like to thank my excellent patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan Okie Beach, The Rage, Ella Vronyak, Bartosz Roka, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, Jesse Herman, and Sheldon Odgen. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Is the video over yet? Can I go back to bed? Please, I'm dying here. Down you can find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social links as well. But anyway, that's what it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.